The first question we have on the board says the minimum value of y in the equation y equal x squared minus 6x plus 8 is dash. The minimum value of y in the equation y equal x squared minus 6x plus 8 is dash. A, 8, B, 3, C, 0, D, minus 1. Solution. The equation we have says y is equal to x squared minus 6x plus 8. This question is a typical quadratic equation. Don't forget, a quadratic equation is an equation in which the highest power of the unknown is 2. From this we have x squared minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. We're going to solve this equation using factorization method. Using factorization method, the concept here is find two numbers that when you multiply them together gives you the constant, and when you add them together it gives you the middle number. I repeat myself, the concept here is find two numbers that when you add them together gives you the middle number, and when you multiply them gives you the constant. Now let's try minus 4 and minus 2. Don't forget, the two numbers, when we add them together, should give us the middle number. So let's add these two numbers together. We have minus 4 plus minus 2. Minus 4 plus minus 2 will give us minus 6. This first condition is satisfied. Let's try the second condition. Minus 4 times minus 2. Minus times minus will give us what? Plus. 4 times 2 will give us 8. So these two values satisfy the condition. We have minus 4 and minus 2. Now, having gotten these two values, we substitute them directly into this equation. We have x squared minus, instead of writing this 6x, we replace it with these two values and attach x to it. By that I mean we have minus 4x. The next value we have is what? Minus 2. We also attach x to it. We'll bring this down. Plus 8 equal 0. This is the same thing as x squared minus 4x minus 2x plus 8 equal 0. What's the next thing we need to do? We need to factorize this. There's something common here. What is common? X. We bring x outside the bracket. X squared divided by x, which is x squared divided by x. This will go here. This is equal to x. So we have x here. The next value we have is minus 4x divided by x. We have 4x divided by x. This will take away this. We are left with 4. Minus. There's something common here. When you factorize this, you have 2. You open a bracket. 2x divided by 2 gives us x plus 8 divided by 2 gives us, this is minus, 8 divided by 2 gives us 4. Now if you observe, what we have in this bracket is the same as what we have in this bracket. X minus 4, x minus 4. So we pick one. We have x minus 4. Then what we have outside the bracket, which is x minus 2, equal 0. This is equal to 0. Now to find the value of x, you pick this first term here, equate it to 0. Pick the second term, also equate it to 0. So for here we have x minus 4 equals 0. And here we have x minus 2 equals 0. This is the same thing as x minus 4 equals 0. When we make x the subset of formula here, we have x to be, this minus 4 crosses the equality sign. It changes from minus to plus. So we have x equals plus 4. For this other place, this is the same thing as x minus 2 equals 0. When minus 2 crosses the equality sign, it changes to what? Plus 2. Therefore, the values of x, therefore, x is equal to plus 4 or plus 2. Now, we have gotten the value of x. We substitute it into this equation to find the value of y. Let's pick the first term. Don't forget, let me write this answer here. We have our x to be, x is equal to what? Plus 4 or what? X is equal to plus 2. So this is our value for x. Here we have, don't forget, we substitute this value into this to find the value of y. Here we have y is equal to x squared minus 6x plus 8. When x is equal to this first one, which is plus 4, when x is equal to 4, we have y to be, instead of writing x squared, we say 4 squared minus 6 into x. Instead of writing x, we replace it with what? 4 plus 8. 4 squared is the same thing as 4 multiplying itself 2 times, which is the same as 4 times 4. So 4 squared is the same thing as 4 times 4, which is 16, minus 6 times 4. 6 times 4 is 24, plus 8. This is the same as 16 minus 24 is the same as minus 8 plus this 8. Minus 8 plus 8 is equal to what? 0. Therefore, when x is equal to 4, y is equal to what? Y is equal to 0. Let's check for the second term when x is equal to plus 2. Don't forget, for the first term, y is equal to what? 0. Now for the second term, when x is equal to plus 2, substitute into this equation, we have x squared minus 6x plus 8. That is y equal this value. Now this is equal to, instead of writing x squared, we replace it with 2. We have 2 squared minus 6 into 2, 6 times 2, plus 8. 4 squared, 2 squared is the same thing as 2 multiplying itself 2 times. So we have 2 times 2, which is 4, minus 6 times 2 gives us what? 12. 6 times 2 equals 12, plus 8. 4 minus 12. 4 minus 12 will give us minus 8 plus 8. This is equal to 0. Therefore, when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 0. So for the first term we checked, it gave us 0. And the second term we checked, it gave us 0. It therefore means the final answer for y is what? 0. Therefore, the minimum the minimum value of y in the equation is 0.